This video is the second part of our independent t-test module. In this video, we're going to talk about how to write up the results from your independent t-test following a template that I've provided in class. So in my last video where I showed you how to use the data analysis tool, this is the output that we got, and I've got everything highlighted that I need. So if I go to our class, here's our class. We're in Module 8, Week 1. If I go down to demonstrate how to write the results in APA format, if I click on that, that page will take me to the results. Now, remember, we noted that this is less than 0.05. So you have to pick. Are you phrasing a significant result? I've noted that that means P is less than 0.05. Or are you phrasing a result that is not significant? And I've noted that P is greater than 0.05. So in this case, this is my template that I would copy. So Control C, and then I'm going to place it somewhere over here. Now, you'll notice whenever you paste it, it becomes this big long string. I can see it up here. You can click the wrap text button if you don't like the big long string, and then make your column bigger. And then you can edit your row height to something more reasonable to where you can adjust it. Okay. So this one I've already got formatted to this result, but let's go through it sentence by sentence. Okay. First sentence says an independent samples t-test was calculated to compare the mean scores of males and the mean score of females. The test found a significant difference between the means of the two groups. So the first sentence basically just says what I did. I did an independent samples t-test. To compare what? To compare the scores of males to the scores of females. The next sentence says they found a significant difference. Here's where my statistical shorthand is. T, because I did a t-test, 28, that's my degrees of freedom, that's right here, equals 3.0, that's my t-stat. Now here, I've rounded a little bit, it's fine to round a little bit. And then P is less than 0.05. Here is my p-value. We decided that was less than 0.05 in our last video. That's the first two sentences. The next sentence needs to say how they are different. The mean of the males, and then provide the mean of the males, that's here, was significantly, and then what? Was it higher, lower? In this case, it's higher than the mean of the females, and then here's the mean of the females. Once you have that done, you've got your results written up. You can save it and submit it.